In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Namecheap domain to WordPress. By the end, your domain will point to your WordPress site, so visitors can reach it just by typing in your web address instead of a long or confusing URL. Let's start inside your Namecheap account. First, log into your Namecheap dashboard. This is your main control panel where you manage all of your domains and settings. Once you're signed in, look for the section labeled Domain List. This is usually on the left side or near the top of the dashboard, and it shows all the domains you currently own under this account. From the domain list, find the domain name that you want to connect to WordPress. Take a second to double check you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have multiple domains, because the changes you're about to make will affect where that specific domain points. When you've found it, click the Manage button next to that domain. This will open up the settings page for that particular domain. On the domain management page, scroll until you see a section called Name Servers. This is one of the most important areas because name servers tell the internet where to send traffic when someone types in your domain. Right now, your name servers might be set to Namecheap's default servers or something else, depending on how your domain was originally configured. Click on the drop-down menu in the name servers section. From the options that appear, choose Custom DNS. Selecting Custom DNS tells Namecheap that you want to manually specify which name servers your domain should use instead of relying on the default ones. Once you've switched to Custom DNS, you'll see fields where you can type in the new name servers. In these fields, you're going to enter the WordPress name servers exactly as they are provided. Type in ns1.wordpress.com, then in the next field, ns2.wordpress.com, and in the third field, ns3.wordpress.com. Make sure you enter these carefully with no extra spaces and no spelling mistakes. Even a small typo can prevent your domain from connecting correctly to your WordPress site. If Namecheap gives you more empty fields, you can leave those blank. You only need these 3 name servers. After you've entered all 3 WordPress name servers, look for the green checkmark icon on the page. This is usually next to the name server settings. Click the green checkmark to save your changes. This is an important step because if you navigate away without saving, none of the name server updates will be applied. Once you've saved, Namecheap will start updating your domain's DNS settings behind the scenes. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't always take effect immediately. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 or even 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, some visitors may see your new WordPress site, while others might still see the old destination or an error page. That's normal and usually resolves on its own. While you wait, you can periodically test your domain in a browser to see if it's pointing to your WordPress site. If it doesn't work right away, give it some time before trying again. And that's it. You've updated your Namecheap name servers to point your domain to WordPress. And once propagation is complete, your visitors will be able to reach your WordPress site using your custom domain.